So this task is about data type, and we will be seeing tuples here. Okay, let's see the task. Given an integer n. Okay, space separated integers as input and create a tuple. Okay, and compute the results with hash. So hash is an inbuilt function. Yeah, it is given in the notes as well. Okay, let's see the input. Sample input is 2 1 2, so we'll have to print this. It is the computation of hash. Okay, let's write the code. So we got integer list here, and what we have to do is quickly hash it and then form the tuple, and then let's get the integer list in. I believe it is easy. Okay, sample test case 0 executed. Okay, both test cases also executed. Yeah, it was quite easy. So let's move to the next section.